In this video, I'm going to tell you 6 things you must do in your business so it can leverage you more money. It can help you to build out your business and to achieve your goal. That's why you started your business. You have a goal regarding this and you can achieve it properly. Okay, I'm Pransh Agarwal, business coach, entrepreneur, influencer, marketing specialist. So let's start the video. First point is that one step back, two step forward. Means when you are facing any issue in your company, there may be a lack of knowledge. Maybe you are not implementing that thing correctly. When you are facing some issues, it's this thing caused because of two problems. Either you don't know about it properly, or you don't implement that thing in a proper manner. Okay, if you are able to connect that thing, if you have proper knowledge regarding this thing, so you have to implement the right technique to overcome this problem. Start the things, understand which problem is coming in your way, be humiliative to the persons, because when you are having problems, your team also are tackling that problem. If you get aggressive regarding this on your team, that may be a reason they will leave you in that situation alone, and that's too critical part of your business. So you have to understand that this problem is facing by me and my team also. You have to tackle it from two phases, by alone as well as with your team. Okay, be humiliative in your path. And there are many people who think that I will achieve this thing, this thing, this thing, this thing in my journey, but they don't start the thing. They think all the time. Let's suppose you have a goal to achieve a private jet. That's not a small goal, that's a too huge goal. To work on this goal, you have to start working on this. Maybe you are thinking that I will buy jet in 10 years, I will buy jet in 10 years, I will buy jet in 10 years, and you still think up to 10 years you don't get that jet in your life. But if you're working, if you're hustling day by day regarding this, you will get to know many things regarding this journey. Maybe you find a new income skill which will help you to achieve your goal in some time. Okay, which will help you to achieve your goal in short period of time, in short span of time. Okay, so start your journey, understand the problems coming in your phases, and be ready for everything. And the main thing, don't lack awareness, because when you are starting, there is a phase when you get too much success, there is a phase when you get too much downfall. When you get too much success, you have to understand the phases why you are getting that much success, and the problems, why these problems are not coming and how I am solving that. Because lack of awareness will give you too much downfall within few time. Yeah, within short span of time, maybe you get massive success after hustling a long period of time, but you are lacking awareness regarding this field, and your growth will dampen within few days. Okay, that's too hurting in the business. So understand the purpose and be aware in your journey. Okay, second point is that flexibility is important in the business, because when you are doing business, the main purpose of your business is to provide product or service which will help the people to overcome their problems, to solve out their problems, and in a proper manner. Let's suppose you have a hair fall issue. There are lots of shampoos, conditioners out there which is helping in this problem, but there are only few products who will nurture your hair in a proper manner, in a smooth manner. You don't get rashes. There are other shampoo, conditioner also give you solution, but they give you rashes in your hair. So you always go for the problem which will help you to overcome the problem, not to add on the problem. Okay, so your product or service must solve out the problem and don't create another problem for the customer. Okay, and the main thing, when you're doing business, you have to understand the many phases, that how to spread your business, how to expand your business. Okay, when there is a market crisis, everyone thinks that I have to spend less in my marketing, I have to spend in my other departments to collapse my business in that crisis. Okay, but if you are expanding in that crisis time, you will definitely get too much profit after that crisis get overcome. Because after overcoming this crisis, your company or your business have huge set of audience for your business. This will definitely outsource the market. This will definitely kick out your competitors from the market. So always expand when everyone is collapsing their business. And the main thing, when you are doing business, you have to get too much attention from the customers. Let's say you have a product or service which really help the problem of the customers, but you are not getting attention from those people. How you can solve out their problems? First you have to get attention to get too much money. If you get attention from the people, then money is the byproduct of that thing. So always focus on getting attention, and you can do that thing by putting too much content regarding your product or service on the social media platforms, because nowadays social media platforms is the best way to advertise organically as well as inorganically. Many people are outsourcing the competitors by putting a lot of content, because when they get attention they are able to sell out their product or service to the customers. If you are not getting attention, why, how you can sell out your product? So flexibility in the business is most prominent factor. You have to understand in which phase I have to implement which technique. Okay, it's up and down business, so you have to understand in which phase I have to implement which technique which will help me to get too much results in my journey. Okay. Third point is customer expectations. Nowadays, they are the attention time of the people is so short. So you have to give them offers and many things regarding your product or service, so you can get too much attention, and that's how you can convert your attention into money. Okay, but before that, you have to understand you don't have to stop for Black Friday sale or that much sale or any festival, waiting for any festival so you can provide more offers. Everyone is doing that thing. Why you are different? You have to figure out how I am different from other businesses in that niche. Many businesses provide offers, discounts when there is a festival, but if you are still providing offers, discounts, and many things like loyalty program, subscription program, that's how you can connect to the customers and they will be your loyal customers. And that's the key. You have to make good customers. If you can make 10 good customers every month, you will get 120 customers every year, and these 120 customers will help you to get another 120 customers within a month. Okay, so always focus on getting attention of the customers and to provide massive value from your product or service to solve out their problem. And let me give you a secret, and if you want to know the secret, you have to come closer, come closer. You have to message them one by one. When you message them, they get stunned that these people have that much money and doing that much business, but still this person is messaging me to solve out my problem. This will help you to outsource the competitor. That people think that this business is caring a lot for me, that person is caring a lot for me, so why I have to go for another plant, why I have to go for another business? So people get stuck in your business strategy, and that's how you can make more and more loyal customers in your business. Fourth tip is that how to generate more money in your business. Okay, you have to understand that customer is the base of your business when you are doing business, and if you are not treating the customers properly, then you don't gonna make the sale, you don't gonna don't gonna make the profit in the business. Let me give you a key regarding this. What are the clients you have right now? Text them right now that how can I solve out your problem? Is there any other problem I can solve out to leverage your business to get more profit in your business? And message me after 3 hours what will be the effect of this thing. This will definitely help you to get positive reviews from the client, and these clients will help you to reach out more clients for your business. And when there are more customers in your business, you can generate more profit and you have much more testimonies to show to the other persons. There is a mistake many people are doing in the business, that they get distracted by a person. If they approach a person and that person is not giving them sale regarding their product or service, they get stuck to that person, that this person will buy my product or service surely, and they start following up, they start messaging them again and again, and people get annoyed by these things. You don't have to do that thing. You just have to search out the right people's targeted peoples for your product or service. When they get benefited from your product or service, find out your small viable market, give them your product or service. When they get benefited, just add their video testimonials on your website, on your social media platforms, and show these testimonials to the customers who said no to your product or service. They will definitely convert. They will definitely convert as a cold lead to hot lead. Okay, when you're doing business, you already understand what is cold audience, hot audience, warm audience, and hot audience. Okay. Fifth point is that don't let your pride to bring your business down, because slow progress makes the people more understood, understandable regarding their product or service regarding their business. But fast success builds ego, builds pride. And when you have pride regarding that, I have that much money, I am superb in that business, I am outsourcing the competitors, I can capture all the market, then definitely you're gonna fail. Yes, you're gonna fail. You have to understand that I'm getting that much success, that's great, I'm best in that thing, that's great, but I have to learn a lot. Still, still I have to earn a lot. When you think that you already generate a lot of money, when you have everything, you stop getting progressive. That's a tendency of human, that when they get something in their life or what they want to achieve, they get so loud that I have everything, now I don't have to do anything. And that's the thing which bring their business down, and suddenly they get shocked how my business gets down, that I am best in that thing, but why my business gets down in that thing. Okay, so pride is the main factor to damp your business. Don't let your pride be the king of your mind. Okay, when you are doing business, there are lots of annoying customers in your journey and many supporters for you, but don't let your supporters make you pride. Yes, don't let your supporters make you pride that much. Don't let them to build ego on yourself, because when you build out your ego, you don't understand the need of the customers, and your business don't gonna run on a long term. And we all are doing business for a long term, not for short term business, not for short term money. We are doing that thing for long term. You have to understand that thing. There are lots of supporters for you, and there are lots of haters for you. You don't have to do anything for them. You just have to provide more and more value to the customer, so you can improve someone's life by solving their problem. Okay, and the sixth point is that leaving a legacy in your life and your business, because when people are thinking that I want to do that thing, I want to do that thing, you have to initiate that thing. Most people start procrastinating the thing. They want that end result, but they are not going to make the initial efforts for this. You have to start that thing. And let me give a secret regarding this. If you want motivation, people say that I need motivation in the morning to get up early, I need motivation to get more money, I want motivation to build that much muscles. That's not a thing. Let's say you want motivation, I am giving you that motivation. You gonna die next day. We all gonna die in some days, in some years. So you have to understand the thing. This life is the precious gift you can ever get in the earth, on the earth. So you have to leverage that. You have to leverage that thing, because God made us for some purpose, and you also have some purpose in your life to make it on, to work on. So find out that purpose. Many people say that I am earning only $1,000 per month. That's not enough for my family. That's not enough for my kids. So ask yourself why you are not generating more and more money for your family, for your kids. The only reason for this thing that you are procrastinating, or you are not learning that skill that will help you to gain more income in your life. Okay, there are lots of opportunities around us, but we have to take a step to understand what this opportunity have, and how this opportunity can solve out my problem and improve my life. When you start working on this opportunity, when you start looking on those opportunities, you will know that thing, that money generating is not a tough process. It's a smooth process, but before this you have to be a master in some skills. You can work on different skills, you can acquire 10 to 12 skills, but you can't generate massive money from this. You have to understand that there's only one or two skills which you can master in your life. So just focus on those skills and leverage your life. Okay, because when you are on the side of offense, you start building a legacy, you start building a life that you want in your life, and for your family, for your kids, or for your mother or father. But if you are on the defensive mode, you can't do anything, you can't achieve anything. So it's better to switch from defensive side to offensive side, defensive side to the offensive side. Okay, subscribe to my YouTube channel, tap on the bell icon so you can get my video first, and check out my that video, what is personal branding and how it can help you to leverage your business and to 15x your income. Just check out that video right now.